This is a modified Hobbyking Slow Stick. I've rebuilt it many times. I'm just messing around out at the farm with my friends. There's the guys. And a Phoenix, another slow stick. Maybe a Sky Hunter sitting there. Woohoo! Something white over in the trees. It always makes me think there's a big plane over there stuck. It's kind of windy. It wasn't real bad. And I'd been messing with the plane, so it's not really set up that great. That was a GWS slow stick. There it is. The originals. And I tried to follow him around a little bit. But I was having some trouble. I was having transmitter trouble too, and I didn't really know it. And I continued that loop around out the edge of the field here. Right here, something happened. And I was like, oh, it's good. It's good. Okay. Keep flying. And then all of a sudden, it ain't good. Oh, boy, that hurts. Also makes you a little queasy. Ah! It smashed it up pretty good. The wing was split in the middle. It was damaged heavily, and I rebuilt the thing again.